नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका के न्यूज़ 24/7 में। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस। आंध्र प्रदेश न्यूज़, 6 डेड 25 इंजर्ड आफ्टर पैसेंजर ट्रेन्स कोलाइड इन विजयनगरम, डेथ toll likely to go up. At least 6 people died and 25 were injured after 2 passenger trains collided with each other in Vizianagaram districts of Andhra Pradesh on Sunday. The cause of the collision between 2 passenger trains has not been ascertained yet. One of the trains was operating from Vizianagaram to Rayagada, Odisha, whereas another train was going from Visakhapatnam to Palasa, Andhra Pradesh. The divisional railway manager has informed that it was a real collision between the 2 passengers train. 3 coaches were involved in the accident and 10 were injured. Rescue operation on the way. Local administration and NDRF were informed for assistance and ambulances, he said. There was an overshoot of trains 08532 Visakhapatnam Palasa passenger with 08504 Visakhapatnam Rayagada passenger, where 3 coaches were involved and about 10 persons were injured, and East Coast Railway Zone official said. Accident relief train have reached the site of the train accident. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy was ordered immediate relief measures and dispatch of ambulances from Visakhapatnam and Ankapalli, nearest district of Vizianagaram. Jagan Reddy has also directed the administration to make all kinds of arrangements in nearby hospital to provide good medical care. Women's reservation to be a fillip for equality in politics. In 1992, the 73rd and 74th amendments to the Indian Constitution mandated 1/3 reservation of seat for women in Panchayat Raj institution. The change was slow, but with a concerted effort by the government and civil society, incremental impact was seen across the country. A significant aspect of this change was not only an increased representation of women, but a gradual shift in the perspective of both men and women has the value of a more gender diverse leadership. Today, several women contest and win from open category seat, making the grassroots governance system in India, with over 1.3 million women, one of the most gender balanced in the world. Now, 3 decades later, we have a law that allows most similar reservation in parliament. The Nari Shakti Vangdan Adhiniyam is a significant step towards more gender equality in Indian politics and governance. But from the bottom up to the changes at the highest level of governance, we need to question if the number signify true significant change if the system is women in policy making in all spheres is moving forward. Representation is a worldwide issue as of summer 2023, and 34 women serve as elected heads of state or government, and only 21% of the world ministers are women. Bengaluru News Live updates. Ongoing attempt to topple state government. Siddharth Maya acknowledged another Operation Lotus in state. A day after Mandya Congress MLA Ravi Kumar Gowda made explosive claims about party legislatures being offered with 50 crore and ministerial berths to switch loyalties with the BJP Chief Minister, Siddharth Maya and his Deputy D.K. Shivakumar have come to the fore, alleging that there was an ongoing attempt to topple the state government. Shivakumar alleged a big conspiracy to topple the government is on. This will not succeed. Many prominent BJP leaders were behind the attempt. In a shocking turn of events, Techie Satish Kumar, who staged protest outside Hulimavo police station over delay in solving his wife Priyanka Agarwal murder, was convicted and sentenced to life imprisonment in the case. District basketball players shine at national games. As many as 14 players of Ludhiana Basketball Academy, who were in part of the 16-member state-level team which clinched gold in basketball at the 37th National Games held in Goa from October 23 to 28, have made the district proud. Punjab men's basketball team Tamil Nadu 105 to 103 in the final match and emerged winner in the 5-in-5 category. Out of the 14 players of the team who are trained at the district basketball academy, 4 are currently studying at SCD Government College, while 4 others are alumni of the same institution. Kanwar Gurbaz Singh Sandhu, Arshdeep Singh Bular, Amarjyoti Singh and Amritpal Singh are alumni of the college. Kanwar completed MA English last year. Arshpreet is a businessman, while Amijyoti and Amritpal are in Punjab. Beside Manoj Singh, Sehaja Pratap Singh, Sikon Nawaz Singh, Panyach and Karandeep Singh are currently studying at SCD Government College. Sehaj Pratap is in MA first year, while Manjot, Nawaz and Karandeep are in BA second year. Odisha government to spend rupees 2,000 crore for boosting state disaster resilient infrastructure. Odisha disaster management model has been lauded all over the world for its highest degree of preparedness, efficient response, and zero casualty approach during calamities. On Odisha Disaster Preparedness Day, pledged to further bolster our disaster resilient infrastructure and readiness to protect every precious life, the Chief Minister said. He further said that the state government has planned to impart disaster management training to official and people's representatives starting from ward members to the Chief Minister. The Red Cross will be roped into the impart disaster management training to at least 10 people from each village in the state, he added. Cold weather set foot in Odisha. November likely to bring moderate rains. IMD Bhubaneswar Sunday said that 5 places in Odisha recorded minimum temperature below 15 degrees Celsius, which can be interpreted as onset of winter in the state. In last 24 hours, the lowest minimum temperature of 13 degrees Celsius was recorded at Odisha, Phulbani. IMD Bhubaneswar informed Sunday. Apart from Phulbani, the mercury dipped below 15 degrees Celsius in 4 other places of the state such as Kiri, Daringbadi, Korakput and Udaigiri. The weather agency further informed that moderate to dense fog was spread in 1 or 2 places over the districts of Kalahandi, Koraput, Bhadrak. Over the next 2 days, dry weather is likely to prevail over the districts of the state. ऐसी और न्यूज़ को जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए के न्यूज़ 24/7 के साथ।